This is our Daily Glow Exfoliating PHA Tonic. PHA stands for Polyhydroxy Acids, which boost radiance, but also smooths and calms open pores. It evens skin tone and also is non-irritating. Our polyhydrating acids are obtained from a fermentation process from yeast. They are a great natural alternative to AHAs and BHAs, which can be irritating. Our PHA toner is a slow release so that it does not affect the barrier of the skin. Also contains niacinamide, which we know as B3, which gives strengthening to the skin. Niacinamide is naturally derived from a yeast extract and it helps retain moisture in the barrier of the skin. It also contains hibiscus, a popular plant that helps with soothing and brightness. We also have finger lime, which is a natural alternative to a harsh exfoliation. How to apply? With this toner, the best way to apply it is with your hands. Shake gently, disperse it into the palms of your hands and press straight onto the skin. It's more efficacious using that way than on a cotton pad. Follow with your serum and your day cream.